The star plank is a variation of the traditional plank, exercise that increases the challenge by spreading your limbs wide apart, creating a star-like shape. This variation demands greater core engagement, balance, and full body strength. How to perform the star plank, high plank position. 1. Start in a high plank. Hands directly under shoulders. Body in a straight line from head to heels. Core engaged, glutes tight. 2. Move into star position. Step your feet out wider than hip width. How far depends on your strength and flexibility. Place your hands wider than shoulder width, almost as wide as your mat or slightly more. Keep your body in a straight, diagonal line, no sagging in the hips or arching the back. 3. Hold the position. Brace your core. Keep your neck neutral by looking slightly ahead or straight down. Hold for a set duration. Start with 15 to 30 seconds. Work up as you build strength. Muscles activated in star plank. 1. Core. Rectus abdominis, six-pack muscles. Transverse abdominis, deep core. Obliques, side abs. Erector spinae, back stabilizers. 2. Shoulders and arms. Deltoids, rotator cuff muscles. Triceps, serratus anterior. 3. Chest. Pectoralis major and minor. 3. Glutes and hips. Gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus. Hip abductors, especially when feet are wide. 5. Legs. Quadriceps. Hamstrings, isometrically engaged. Adductors and abductors, to stabilize wide stance. Please check my next video.